Haati aspires to be a one-stop solution for artisans who are building handcrafted sustainable products and for consumers who seek these handcrafted sustainable products. We try to be sustainable by following three phases. One is design, second is supply chain and building the products, and the third is making sure that the customer gets influenced by the entire idea of sustainability that Haati follows and practices. So let me give you an idea about how this earring was actually made. We start doing a lot of research to understand the current trends of the market so that we don't really aim at creating a new demand but try to cater to an already existing demand. Most of the elements that is being involved in building the product, whether it be the raw material or the way the product is made, the process of it, we try to be as much sustainable as possible, reduce a lot of power consumption, create exactly the right amount of products and then eventually take orders for it so that there's no surplus product creation. Now, I think fashion can be more sustainable in two things. One is the raw materials that we're using. The second thing is the way we design our products and how we are building the product.